howdy. We're back again. Look at this. Look at this right yonder. That is the Zaxby's chicken sandwich. Okay, let's try it. Maybe. Where? I don't know. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. A little messy, but very good. Sorry, y'all.
What's it called?
I think it's the Southern. Yeah, I'm sorry. I got stuff all over my face. I know. I'm pretty sure he's doing something. Yeah, I think it's called the Southern. What is it?
Just move on.
Yeah. Whatever.
You'll be there forever trying to think of it.
Yeah. Remember, mine's like a gnat. But anyway, chicken is very juicy. Oh my god, it's so wonderful. It's got tomatoes, lettuce, mayonnaise. I think maybe even pickles. Yeah. Nope. Nope. No pickle.
What kind of chicken is it?
It's the chicken fingers.
It's not a chicken finger. It's a chicken breast.
Yeah, chicken breast.
Right, you said chicken finger. It's not a finger.
Oh.
It's a breast, which is why we got it.
Yep. It's got
The other ones are going to be chicken breasts also.
Yeah, it's even got little baby tomatoes.
They're called Roma tomatoes.
Good job.
So what do you think overall?
Oh my god.
Scale 1 to 5.
Oh yeah. Exactly.
5 can't be perfect.
No. I give it about a 4.2.
Where are we going next?
Popeyes.
Do you want to do Popeyes or do you want to do Chick-fil-A first? Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. Yeah. Alrighty. Now, let's try Wendy's chicken sandwich and see how they look. Take a look at that. Let's see what they got on this. They've got, well, seeing how I just done that. Lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise, and then you've got the chicken breast right here. It's kind of flat. Kind of, you know. So let's try her out. See how it compares to Zaxby's. Let me find a good spot here. Here we go. Not bad. Pretty juicy, actually.
So what's the rating?
I'd say probably right about a 3.8. Here we go. The one, the only Popeyes Chicken Classic. Double buck. Alright, we all know what's on this one. Just pickle and their sauce. Take a little bite here.
What's the sauce?
I think it's like a mayo aioli, I think.
How about just mayo?
Mayo? Yeah, probably just mayo. Alright, let's take a bite of this bad boy. Oh man. There's definitely, it's going to be a 4.9.